Hi, welcome to the Shelly Studio, working on another one of my little index cards. I've only got 3 left, look at that. So I decided just to pick. So I grabbed this one, and this particular card was inspired by my brother. He passed away while I was doing these cards, and he passed away, I think, the day before I created this one. He had had some heart surgery, and then, which was high risk for him anyway, and then had a difficult time recovering and just never really recovered. So he was in intensive care for months, and then they went to a intensive care. I don't even know what you call them. Anyways, another place. And then he finally went home, and we thought he was doing a little bit better, but he just went downhill really fast and passed away just a few days after he got home. So this one is inspired by him because he spent a couple years in Japan, and hopefully my little drawing doesn't offend anyone. I just think she's really cute. The style of it was inspired by Jamie Burke. If any of you have seen his work, he did some long time ago, some girls kind of a little bit like this style. But yeah, I just wanted to create something with that kind of feel, so that I could, honor my brother, I guess. And of course, I am using my neons. I'm mixing a little green with the teal, the neon green with the teal, and we'll just put that around the little girl that's going in there. And I don't know why, I just decided we were going with a palette knife today. Just getting all the way around her. And I'm sorry I'm kind of down at the bottom of the screen. That was totally unintentional, but you get focused on something and you forget. Like, I'm probably half off the little table I'm using. It's not that big a table. Probably doesn't help too that, when you have vision issues and have to wear glasses and you're getting older, and things just have to get a little closer to your face. And it just starts to creep that direction, I think. I'm just putting a little bit more blue in there. I'm not trying to be perfect, that's why I'm using the palette knife, just to give it lots of fun texture. And trying to use it all up. So I think it's mostly dry, and I'm just going to go over the top with that neon green, because all of these cards are kind of neon, right? And the playlist should be in the description box below. If you haven't seen any of my little index cards, I have created a playlist. Hopefully I haven't forgot to attach any of them. Alright, so clean that up, and now we're, I think I'm doing her face. I just used, I don't even know what colors those were, a little bit of brown and some sort of tan color. Not going for accuracy here, obviously. And then I have this bright red, and I've mixed it with some of the neon pink to try and make it like a neon red. Just in keeping with the neon, and covering her dress with that. I almost forgot this one because actually afterwards I took this one and I journaled on the back of it and put it in my journal. Since that one was inspired by something I wanted to write on the back. I'm just gonna top it off with a little bit more of that neon to keep it bright. And I couldn't help myself. I've done this on almost every card, so you know, we got to brayer the white on a little bit. Just a little bit on this one. Sorry if you hear a humming in the background, that's actually my ceiling fan trying to keep me cooled off. It's kind of hot in my room, so I forgot to turn it off before I started recording, and I know there's like a buzz sound. I'm pretty sure it's the fan. Trying to decide if I'm done. I decided to give this one a border, so I'm pulling out the gel crayons. I'm just going to run it along the edge. I was listening to Tim Holtz the other day, and he says his distress crayons, you know, after they're dry, they go hard on the paper, and they won't rub off on your fingers. So I mean, it's been a long time since I did this one. It's not Tim Holtz distress crayons, but I decided to rub it, and yeah, I guess as long as you don't get it too thick, it's not coming off on my fingers. I had no idea. It's not the distress ones, but I know if they're not kept with the lid on and everything, those gel crayons go really hard. And I found 2 words that I thought fit this one. It's kind of meditative, and it's called Simple Moments. I'm going to get those added, and then it will be about done. I think I have a close-up at the end. And I want to thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed these videos. If you do, leave me a comment or a thumbs up, and have an awesome day.